हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. Today we are gonna show you how you can remove annoying ads from apps and web pages. So without any further ado, let's get started. Personal DNS Filter is a DNS filter app for Android. It hooks into the domain name resolution and blocks access to filtered hosts. The method works similarly to how host files work on computer systems. DNS is used to translate domain names to IP addresses that computers communicate with, and a host-based solution blocks access to known domain names by changing the information on the device. So the app is available for Android and you can install it into your device from Play Store very easily. So you see, these are the ads that you might have to tackle if you do not have a personal DNS filter. 𝗗𝗚𝐼𝐶𝐬𝐴. I don't even know if I pronounced that right. When that's actually a self-promotion. You can install Mac OS High Sierra on Windows 10, and it's one of our recent video, and the link to that will be in the description below. And once installed, you'll have to grant it the access and a connection request that it wants to set up a VPN connection that allows it to monitor network traffic. So as you can see, it has automatically enabled the last two settings, that is enable blocking and auto start. So before, when we opened this app, it had a lot of ads as you saw before, and now let's see, after using the personal DNS filter app, what happens. Are there any ads or not? As you can see, there are no ads that were here before. Let's see, Pbunified. And oh, no ads. That's nice. Now I want to see what happens when I click on the advanced settings. So as you can see, we have various options here: configure filter update, configure additional hosts, app whitelist, backup and restore, and the one which is already enabled is CNAME clocking protection in aggressive mode, DNS proxy mode without local VPN, root mode without local VPN, and prevent device sleep. And this app works with any upstream DNS server. Filtering is completely local, no phoning home or such things. You can run it locally on your device or centrally as DNS server in your network, and it's a pretty easy to use app. And in the DNS server configuration, you can disable the DNS server discovery. It provides you with a lot of options to personalize the app however you want. And with this, we'll be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?